Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Punch. Punch. Punch means strike with fist. For example, he was kicked and punched in an unprovoked attack. He was kicked and punched in an unprovoked attack. Synonyms: hit, strike, knock. Raid. Raid. Raid means conduct raid on. For example, officers raided 30 homes yesterday. Officers raided 30 homes yesterday. Synonyms: attack, make a raid on, assault. Rally. Rally. Rally means of troops, come together again. For example, de Montfort's troops rallied and drove back the king's infantry. De Montfort's troops rallied and drove back the king's infantry. Synonyms: reassemble, regroup, reform. Reassure. Reassure. Reassure means say or do something to remove doubts or fears of. For example, he understood her feelings and tried to reassure her. He understood her feelings and tried to reassure her. Synonyms: put someone's mind at rest, set someone's mind at rest, dispel someone's fears. Recount. Recount. Recount means tell someone about something. For example, I recounted the tale to Steve. I recounted the tale to Steve. Synonyms: tell, relate, narrate. Reform. Reform. Reform means make changes in. For example, an opportunity to reform and restructure an antiquated schooling model. An opportunity to reform and restructure an antiquated schooling model. Synonyms: improve, make better, better. Regain. Regain. Regain means obtain possession or use of something. For example, she died without regaining consciousness. She died without regaining consciousness. Synonyms: recover, get back, win back. Reign. Reign. Reign means hold royal office. For example, Queen Elizabeth reigns over the UK. Queen Elizabeth reigns over the UK. Synonyms: ruling, regnant, be king. Render. Render. Render means provide or give. For example, money serves as a reward for services rendered. Money serves as a reward for services rendered. Synonyms: give, provide, supply. Renew. Renew. Renew means resume activity after interruption. For example, the parents renewed their campaign to save the school. The parents renewed their campaign to save the school. Synonyms: resume, return to, pick up again. Reproduce. Reproduce. Reproduce means produce again. For example, a concert performance cannot reproduce all the subtleties of a recording. A concert performance cannot reproduce all the subtleties of a recording. Resemble. Resemble. Resemble means have similar appearance to or qualities in common with. For example, some people resemble their dogs. Some people resemble their dogs. Synonyms: look like, be similar to, be like. Reside. Reside. Reside means have one's permanent home in particular place. For example, people who work in the city actually reside in neighboring towns. People who work in the city actually reside in neighboring towns. Synonyms: live in, occupy, inhabit. Retreat. Retreat. Retreat means withdraw from enemy forces as result of their superior power or after defeat. For example, the French retreated in disarray. The French retreated in disarray. Synonyms: withdraw, retire, draw back. Reverse. Reverse. Reverse means move backward. For example, the truck reversed into the back of a bus. The truck reversed into the back of a bus. Synonyms: back, go backwards. Revive. Revive. Revive means restore to life or consciousness. For example, both men collapsed, but were revived. Both men collapsed, but were revived. Synonyms: resuscitate, bring round, bring to life. Rip. Rip. Rip means tear or pull something quickly or forcibly away from something or someone. For example, a fan tried to rip his pants off during a show. A fan tried to rip his pants off during a show. Synonyms: tear, snatch, jerk. Rotate. Rotate. Rotate means move or cause to move in circle around axis or center. For example, the wheel continued to rotate. The wheel continued to rotate. Synonyms: revolve, go round, turn. Sack. Sack. Sack means dismiss from employment. For example, any official found to be involved would be sacked on the spot. Any official found to be involved would be sacked on the spot. Synonyms: dismiss, give someone their notice, throw out. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Sacrifice means offer or kill as religious sacrifice. For example, the goat was sacrificed at the shrine. The goat was sacrificed at the shrine. Synonyms: offer up, immolate, slaughter.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.